Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. These adorable wall hangings behind me and on the table are part of our Your in Words wall hanging club. Now you might have seen this in the past and we have brought that back. We know you've enjoyed that, and if you've seen this from before, you can notice that some of these have some refreshed fabrics in there, making it even more fun. Now, how will this program work? When does it start? Give me the details, Jen. Okay, I am going to do that. As you can see, we have laser cut applique as well as piecing. Before we ran this club, and basically we shipped you your kits and you were on your own to put everything together. How it's different this time is I will be coming right alongside you month by month and showing you, of course, how to do the applique, but even more importantly, we'll be going over all the piecing together, which is really fun. So even if you are like, I don't know about how to make that block or how to make that, you don't need to. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and we're going to have fun being able to do that together month by month. This will start in January of 2021, and we'll be shipping you the month that's coming up. So for example, in January, we'll be sending you the February kit, so you have plenty of time to make that so you can display that for the full month of February. And then of course in February you're getting the March kit and so on and so forth. So everything that you're seeing will be included: full color patterns, instructions, tracing and layout diagrams. All of the fabrics, including the backing and binding, are included as well. So what are these extra things on the table? These are options for you. You'll of course want to have a nice hanger to display your beautiful wall hanging month over month. This is the 12-inch French curl. It works really well with really all of them. Now we have other ones too, like snowflakes. If you want to really take it to the next level, you can certainly shop that category and have a nice snowflake one for January and so on and so forth. But if you want to have just one hanger that'll fit them all, it's a great option and very affordable. And of course, whenever we're stitching down our laser cut applique, we love to do that in 50 weight coordinating thread, and we've picked just a beautiful and very affordable array of smaller spools of 50 weight cotton for you to do that. Now, as far as what else is on the table, it's that natural thing. And as we work our way through each month, I'll be using certain tools, but maybe not others. Some of the tools that are going to be used every single month will definitely be our light box, our applique pressing sheet, of course our wool pressing mat, our iron, definitely pins every single time. And you know that I always recommend a fresh rotary blade in your rotary cutter to get nice clean cuts. And of course those 8012 super non-stick needles, put a fresh needle in there as well. Marking tools, and of course our nice array of creative grid rulers. This is going to be a lot of fun getting to do this with you month over month. I am super excited about that. Grab a friend, and hey, we're going to have a lot of social media going as well, a Facebook group where you'll be able to post pictures, be able to encourage others, share some of your tips and techniques. We love to hear from you as well. So be sure to jump in there, grab your spot. Space is limited, and the first video will be rolling in January of 2021. I'll see you then.